and that's it. First of all, let's what okay, so active roles and relationship is set. Like previously, I do some kind of some more function. I use some more function to actually uh, do it with different kind of relationship. So that is there. um I think maybe it can be little bit different. mm, OMG, I think I'm gonna change something here. So let's change it first. First of all, let's change it. uh mm, let's just change it and make it something like uh, uh this will be key, and this should be uh it should be name maybe. I'm One second, I'm still gonna do that, but I think I can actually make it a little bit better, and I doesn't have to use this kind of tricky function here. So I just have to use array unique. That's it. mm, First of all, let's on model also. Not model actually. I We have to use on default uh, this function here, and in relationship. OMG. There are too much complexity now, but I think I can fix that. I can fix that. I think so, at least. So I have to just check for X and check for any kind of other relationship. Okay, so this name is very much true. I think this name should be thing here, and I am not sure relationship is there. Okay, whatever. So it can be a little bit difficult also, but I think this can be worth it. That, but again, I'm thinking that unique. Maybe I can do something with the key again. Maybe not. Unique key. Mm, I think this can work. Maybe not. I have no idea. Just- What is our value here? It seems like I gonna use something stupid here. Size color array values arrays. It's gonna array keys. Maybe just I gonna use that. Let's see it's gonna work or not. Cause oh, it's gonna not gonna work. Auto setup the table 19. So the table has a oh. I know that if I actually do something somewhere else, then I'm gonna make it. Maybe I'm gonna make it something good in future, but right now the function is little bit complex. Uh, Maybe I'm gonna make it like that. Uh, Key item. So it has to be key. So key will be in relations. Key will be a little bit different compared to anything else. It's gonna screw everything, but I think this is a good idea to do it like that. Uh, I think this is still a good idea. I can suffer that much. Maybe 10-20 minutes. So that is the main big issue with all of my project. I do something and think about that, and it seems like it's not a good idea to do that, and I change that. I spend my many days like that. So just items should be table, and keys also a issue there. So how can I? Okay, I can actually make it like that. So uh so I'm gonna check this, and key will be name. So name, and let's see. Also there is a on 22 line there is something else also there. So I think again. Mm, let's see actually what is actually it. Motor 22, but actually it's gonna print in there. So okay, so it's actually kind of working, but not in a way that actually I'm interested, I'll say. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think it doesn't seem relationship here is a good idea. In relationship, there's a zero, and again, still a 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, MG, why it's that? Mm, okay, I'm understand now why this is a big issue, because actually I'm doing it very much wrong. Uh, and it will be is equal to relation, not like that. Whatever I just do there, I'm doing there maybe. Basically, I'm still doing some kind of trial and error, so nothing is here 100% sure. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Uh, OMG, this is getting. I have to, I has to complete in 10 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. I has to complete in the 5 minutes, so I can actually proceed next. I think this is. I don't know it's gonna work or not. Let's hope it's gonna work the way that I'm actually kind of intending. Kind of, because I'm still kind of intending. I don't know it's gonna work or not. But just I'm winging it, I'll say. Let's try this again. Maybe it's gonna work. Maybe not. Default 41. OMG. OMG still is not. It's not going to work that way, I think so. Let's try this again, because why not default 42? $36 on and 42. 36 has this and 42 is OMG. Maybe this is final. Okay, so model PHP line 22. Again, I'm pretty much sure about the model. Model has some kind of issue because model is totally reworked there. So where are model? uh, I think it has to be something else now. Relations is gonna be something else. 22. So first of all, what is line 22? Array to string conversion. Okay, so this is, I never expected to go this far right now, but I'm still trying to, but I'm not expecting anything. So I work something like that. So first of all, we are going to count the relations it has, and if it has relation zero more than zero, then only it's gonna do anything. And relations has items, but it doesn't not it's not doesn't it's not like that anymore. Relations have, OMG, I'm think active roles. Maybe I'm doing something wrong there. Okay, first of all, this can be a little bit changed. I think this is not a right choice there. It has something between like mm, I think name is a good idea. Probably not, whatever. Maybe I name is there, should be there. I have, again, no idea. I'm just winging it. CRUD is like that. Active roles has array. Oh no, active roles is equal to active role. What just happened right now? OMG. Oh no. What I done there? Maybe it is gonna work. it just work. uh, let's see the active roles, and it work, but not what I want. I don't get that here, at least. So in model, again, I know that in the model I have to do something. That what can it be? Relations as items. I think still model has some kind of issues. So definitely something about relations, and I can relation with active and just do it that way. Maybe this can be very good idea. Relations can be, if it is more than zero, then I for each that, and if it's I zero, and that's a good idea. I think till then I actually can go. Let's see. It can echo anything. If it echoes anything, then okay, it's kind of working. So okay, it actually working till there. So, and every relations has a key and value, probably, I think so. Okay, and the value proportion is kind of difficult task to be where I don't, is it actually echoing till there also? Let's see. Clear, and so actually it's actually going till there. So, and it's gonna count item also, but it has not count items there. It has to be count relations there. So some kind of trick should be made there. Some what I can call, but maybe it's not a trick. And key is a key. OMG, why this is a key? And what is the value? Maybe there will be error now. There is no error. So is it actually working here? Echo 1 2 3 4. I'm not sure about this, but I want to check that it actually working there. So something wrong about relationship then. Uh, Maybe I don't know, echo. So something really bad happening here, because there is no comma between them. Oh, MG, why there is no comma? Here also there is no comma, and I have to do F again. I one thing I'm sure about, that there is a key, so I can actually first get the keys of whatever these are. So first let's go and get key. Maybe somewhere there is a key. So there is a key. So this is the function of keys. So I just have to pass it like that. So less relations key is equal to array key of table relations. Okay, and first just printf. I'm gonna printf that entire and somewhere is oh, actually I can auto set of line 21. So again array unique has some issue here. It should have, there is no unique issue there because it was okay. If I clear this and again no unique issue, I think there can't be no unique issue, so everything is fine there. mm, there's a printf, but I think somewhere else also some kind of thing is printing. If actually I hidden that, what is gonna print then? Okay, actually it's I think it's echo something here. Okay, it's echoing relations. uh doesn't need to because first of all let's keys, and so we have keys at least here. uh we're gonna for each the key every time and actually put everything that we have, so we don't has to be, it can be a little bit different now, relationship can be a little bit different. Let's this is, and first of all if uh relationship key is, I think it can be 0 probably, it can 0, there is nothing like that right now. uh but it can be 0 probably, I think so. Doesn't has to be anything. Okay, so if it's more than 0, then only we actually gonna perform this function, so something like that. And then we are going to for each relation keys as key, so something like that. And every time we are going to let's echo this now because I think I have to need a very clear understanding of kind of relationship here. First of all, let's clear it again. Okay, so first of all, OMG, it's not clearing. Oh, it's not clearing that way. Okay. hybrid. This is so, forget that. So name, key, and user. Uh, we can actually use, first of all, let's make it something like that. So relations is equal to is it first? Oh, okay. They're gonna for each that, and also the name of the key. I think I'm actually doing that, so I'm gonna do this way. Mm-hmm. This is gonna add key there, and so this is it. And after that, we're gonna try it for each. Uh, Key as ID value. It doesn't have to be that clear, but it can be anything. So I think I can use maybe I gonna use this again. First f is 0. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, and plus plus $f. Uh, this is there, and I'm gonna use this. Oh, table relation. I don't think so. It has to be like that. I think it should be like this. Okay, and after that, it will be ID, and it can be value. That's it. And also we not need this. I just use it as a relation line 7. What is that? Has to put relationship previously, so okay. So relation is nothing, and it's just there. Is it? OMG, it doesn't work. Services table services, service table services, and an ID. And OMG, I forgot about main part. It's not attachment difficult. It is like, I forgot about this, but I should little bit. That's the only issue. So that can be it is very much fixable issue. So where is route model? I think model. So mm, and this thing and there is this thing. So I don't think so. I don't think this is a good idea. This is not a good idea. Maybe this is a good idea. Let's see it is a good idea or not. I still think it's a good idea. Okay. Okay, please reload that. Okay, so now it's working fine. It's actually telling me everything which I need to know. And it failed. It failed. This thank God I have a second thing like that, or I gonna make it look like I am dumb. Um, I don't think so. This is a good idea. Mm, What the hell happened here? I still can't get it. What's is the issue here? If there's a user and there is a role, what is the issue here? Again, I can't able to figure it out. What is the issue? Is it this is the issue? I don't think so. This can be issue that big. OMG, I think this is the issue. OMG, it's still not fixed. Okay, so this can be a still issue. So every key has to repeat that. I thought. Okay, so it doesn't has to be there. It is very much clear, that for sure. I think this is a very good idea to do that. I'm glad I abandoned whatever I am doing previously. But first, I have to make sure it's actually look like this. whenever whatever just happen. So let's go to model again, because it has twice that thing, and it should not be here. It should be here. OMG, it should be here, and I think this should work. If not, I already know what can work then. So again, this issue, I understand that. This is really bad. It should not be here. Let's make it relations, and make it look like, I hope it's will fix this. But no, it can, but it's still not a good fix. It is actually work for one. Okay, so actually work for one, so it has to be now work for everybody. That's will be it, I'll say. OMG, count doesn't. Okay, no, it should not work. So I'll go to agree role, and okay, it's working fine. And photo, it's actually working fine. So everything is kind of good looking. If I'm gonna make it like that, I mean, this is a very good looking data. How much time is it spent? Oh, I spend it more than what I should. I have to actually. OMG, I don't want to disabandon this. Whatever. Auto setup is done first of all. So now only issue will be. I think I have to stop this. I'm gonna stop this video stream and start it again with the same, and then probably it's gonna work fine, maybe not. And I'm gonna start with database injection.